guys, welcome back to Candy Wars. Today I am royale by myself, and I'm gonna do a challenge that I picked. That somebody picked category. I need to dress up. Well, I need emojis and count.
Wait, why are you in royal count? And why are you making a YouTube video? And why are you in royal high? Explain yourself.
Because I have to.
What
You
are
are
you
doing a challenge.
What's the challenge?
The challenge is that I pick a category and then you need to dress up.
Okay, so what's the first category?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, guys, I'll come back when I'm done with the blue outfit. Does this hair match? Yeah, it does match.
No,
okay,
no,
let's
no,
put
it
that
doesn't
here.
matter.
No, yeah, it does. Look.
Your hair.
Yeah, my hair matches.
No, your hair is not blue.
Oh, fine. Okay, I'll change my hair. I'll be back when I'm done. For the grand finale, Okay, whatever. Alex, here. Do you like it?
Yes.
It's like a sleepover party. Guys, also comment down below which one you like. Hold on, I forgot to write something. Blue girl. Do you like it? I like it. Comment down below your favorite. Blue. Which one's the next one? Oh, let's do sports.
No.
Then what? Then what do you want? Princess?
No.
Then what?
Mermaid.
Mermaid? What? Okay, so next is mermaid. So this was blue girl. The next person is gonna be mermaid.
Me. Never mind.
Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done
There's
with my
one
mermaid.
costume.
Guys, are you ready for the grand mermaid costume? Okay. Woo! This is the mermaid costume. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in the water. I had no other color, so I only had the purple one, so it's a purple mermaid. Woo! Okay, the mermaid is now a mermaid in the water. Oh, I forgot to change the name. I always forgot. Purple mermaid. There, guys. The hair does glow, by the way. So this is a mermaid one. Alex, pick the next category.
Princess.
Princess. I'm gonna change the name right now. No, because I don't know what color. So guys, I'll be back with the princess one. I don't know what shirt to wear. These are also good. Alex, I'm Elsa. I don't know, no, for real. I don't know which one to pick. Is this one good?
Oh, you're Elsa?
No, I'm not. No. Okay, no, sorry. Okay, guys. This is, I don't know, queen or princess, whatever.
Yeah.
But they love blue and black, so I just decided to do
Oh,
both.
no,
I love this outfit. This is one of my favorites.
Yep.
So if you like this one, comment down blue - normal, princess or queen. So this is it. I like it.
I'm playing Roblox right now.
Yeah, he's playing another game. He's in a little edgy. So if you
No,
like,
I'm not playing right now. I'm playing.
okay,
I'm playing hide and seek and.
okay. Well, if you like this one, comment down below. Alex, next category.
Sport.
Okay, sports. Okay, guys, we'll be back when I'm done with the sports costume. What hair should I wear? Oh, that rhymes. What hair should I wear? No, not really. Okay, never mind.
Now, buddy.
This is they're not really that much sports. Oh, this one's nice. Oh yeah, this one. No, there's a lot of sports options. They have this little hat. I also have Alex. Look, I also have this, the helmet. Yeah, I have. I also have this tennis one. I have the cool shades, but not really. I also have the flip.
Oh, do you call me?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, right? Okay, I'm talking to you. Hello, Alex. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'm finally done. Alex, are you ready to see me?
Yes.
Woo! I'm like a cheerleader. I don't know what I am. Woo! There was a lot of options for I did not know what to pick for the hair. And like there was a lot of options for like the hat. But yeah, I picked that one. 'Cause I don't know, it just looks good. So this is it. If you like this one more than all of them, comment down below sporty girl. Alex, what's the next category?
The next category is
Say something.
underwater.
No. That doesn't really make sense. No.
Okay.
Okay, so pick another category.
This is bonus round. You pick.
Rainbow.
Okay.
Okay, that's gonna be a mess, but let's go. Alex, why would you do that? Why would you join in the game? It scared me like that. How dare you? Okay, so the rainbow hair is really glowy. I mean, the normal one is glowy, and if you like put a glow, it's really my eyes.
Hello.
So I don't know what hair.
Do you see me?
I think I'll just do like the.
Do you see me?
No, I don't.
I'm fine.
It's like pink
Oh,
now.
do you see me?
Let me see.
Look.
Alex! Oh, that's Alex right there, guys. Why are you so fancy?
You said that I have to be fancy or else you kick me out.
That was a role play. That was a role play. Okay, so there's a lot of like rainbow things, like unicorn things.
Mariana.
Who? Is there another girl?
Emoji?
Oh,
No.
okay. There was another girl.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I saw somebody girl named Mariana. Yeah.
I don't know why I'm laughing.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah. Okay, guys. So this is my rainbow costume. I tried my best with the bow. My bows do have something. It's really, my eyes are really hurting. Oh, sporty girl. No, it's not sporty girl. It's
playing
rainbow.
I'm not playing Roblox. I am not playing Roblox.
I try to put unicorn poop. I don't know. Okay, no.
No, please.
If this one was your favorite, comment down below. Rainbow girl and just my name. So guys, pick your favorite one in the comment section down below. The sporty, the blue one, the purple mermaid,
Princess.
the princess. What else?
Or rainbow.
Or the rainbow one. So pick one that
And
you
anyways,
like.
I am playing another game. I am not playing Roblox.
Oh, by the way, do you like my outfit?
Yeah, by the way.
It's a little rainbow. Okay. So guys, comment down below your favorite. Woo! Thank you so much, you guys, for watching.
Mine? Well,
Alex almost took over my account. So thank you for myself for getting that.
oh,
Okay.
there's a flying coin.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of our other videos. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye.